Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious street style corn cheese momos. These momos are not available on every street shop, but wherever these are sold highly, and these taste so amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's make a street style momo chutney. For that I have taken 5 tomatoes. Mark X on the back and remove the eye part of the tomatoes. Then add them to the boiling water. Add 2 soaked red chillies. You can increase the quantity of red chillies. Boil for 5 to 6 minutes. And then strain the water and remove the skin of the tomatoes. Allow them to cool down and then transfer to a blender jar and blend. Keep it aside. Now in a kadai, heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic. Saute for a few seconds and then add half teaspoon of chili flakes and mix well. Add half teaspoon of soy sauce and half teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a mix. And then add the prepared tomato puree. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon each of sugar and salt. Give it a mix. Add a little amount of water. And our delicious chutney is ready now. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. You can increase the amount of red chilies if you like your chutney to be super spicy, but this tastes so amazing and moderately spicy. So now let's prepare the momo dough. For that I have taken 1.5 cup of maida and half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Mix well and add water and knead it into a semi-soft dough. Our dough is formed now. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the stuffing. In a bowl I have taken 1.5 cup of boiled corn. Crush them roughly. You can use them directly if you want. To that add 1/3 cup of grated paneer. You can skip the paneer if you want. Add half cup of shredded cheese. I have used mozzarella here. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 chopped green chilies, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything well. And our delicious corn cheese stuffing is ready. Our dough is also well rested now. Knead it for a minute. And our super smooth and soft dough is ready. Take a small portion of the dough and make a ball. Sprinkle a little bit of flour and roll it thin. Roll it as thin as you can. Then place the stuffing. Add some more cheese if you like. Fold it like so. And press the edges so that they stick. Now join the edges. This is one kind of momo shape that you can make. I'll show you another shape also. Roll another dough ball and place the stuffing. Now press with one hand and fold to make plates with the other. Press from one side and make plates from the other. This is the momo shape that we generally see on all the momo shops. So another beautiful shape momo is ready. Place the momos on a greased idli plate. Place the idli stand in hot steamer. I am using idli steamer here. You can use any steamer you have. Cover and let the momos steam for 10 to 12 minutes. And our perfectly steamed momos are ready. The other shape momos are also cooked well, and these look so beautiful. So our delicious corn cheese momos are ready. These are so yummy and cheesy. The momos are perfectly cheesy and delicious, and corn goes perfectly amazingly well with them. And the spicy chutney is just an addition that you shouldn't forget when you are having a momo. So you should definitely try these yummy and cheesy corn cheese momos if you haven't tried them yet. So if you like this recipe, then do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.